Thought I'd shoot a quickie video of my first attempt at this robot arm. So I've got the Dagu 6 servo arm on a Dagu base. What I'm doing right now is I'm controlling it from an Android app. Obviously the tablet's going to usually be mounted there. What I'm doing here is I'm just controlling the arm only, so don't expect the robot to move. Obviously he'd climb off the table. What I'm doing is I'm trying to make an app bells that will easily make scripts. So you can see here I've got a script that sends various position commands and gripper commands. And all I'm doing is I'm just moving this little servo from where it's at onto the table. I've actually never run this script before, so it'll be fun to see if it actually works. So I'm going to press the clear button, and then if I want to run it, I just hit the script button, and it starts sending commands. You can see the robot arm goes down to where I've programmed it to go, do a grip, up, down, and release. Cool, so that was all pretty fast, but you can see what it did. What I really wanted to show is how it does it. So what it's doing here is it's showing you what commands it sent. So as it was sending commands, just clear it off again here. As it's sending commands, they show up. It's like it's going to those positions, it's doing a gripper thing, other positions. It's showing you the commands that it's using. The way I programmed this is I started off by programming a series of positions. So for example, I programmed a position called robot mid vertical. If I go to that position, you can see that the robot kind of turns to that location. I've got one that I programmed called robot mid up. Go to that position. I've got one called, robot mid, which is where the pickup location was. So I programmed in those locations. The way this works, by the way, is there's just a little teach pendant. So I can drive the robot here with the teach pendant. So each joint, pick a joint where you can see. So I've got a bunch of different ways to move it around, save positions. After you get the positions the way that you want them, you can create as many positions as you like. You can go into scripts. And what I've done in the scripts here is I've said just go to like position home first, then delay, and then go to this position, delay, this position, gripper open, delay. This is the pickup spot, delay, gripper close, that's where it actually picks it up. And then it goes through another going to positions and delays until it finally goes to gripper open, then it goes home. So let's go ahead and run it again. Just kind of a last time here. I've got my little starting spot. So I've taught it these commands. Also, just to share, you can actually start it from the Arduino board as well. So if I hit, so as soon as I hit this button, it's going to send. So you can see I sent script 2 first, which didn't do much. And then here I'm going to send the script to make it go. So I just hit this button. So it grabs it. A little jerky. And drops it right there. And you can see that it was told to run this script from Arduino, and then this script does all these things. So the idea is like if there's a sensor that says, hey, position block is ready, it can grab it and do its little command. So this is for the ME435 class, but it's my first little script which teaches positions. I think it's pretty neat.